Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I am back to do some more work on the faith field notes. And I remembered that first of all I have all this Tim Holtz stuff, so I went through and I sorted through what I thought I would use and really got what are like the field notes, like field labels and little insects and butterflies and things like that, kind of sorted out. And then I have the journal here to look at because I also need some pockets, because I was looking through here and I realized don't really have that many pockets in here. There are a lot of pages, especially in this first signature, that don't have any pockets put in it. So I thought I would take some old book pages and just kind of create some pages as I go, or some pockets as I go along. But I also wanted to take these these are coin holders, like coin display cards that you can get like at Hobby Lobby or wherever. And I thought that it would be fun to make some specimen tags out of them with some of these little insects or butterflies, if I can get some that are small enough. That's kind of big. Let's see if I have any small enough. Bug might work. Hopefully there's a bug that would work. So I'm going to put just a dot of glitter glue inside to hold it in place. I mean, these are like super quick and simple, I think. We'll see. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue, put my bug on there. Fold it in half and just glue it together. And hopefully, and then I'll take some distress ink. Ooh, got my ink. I always do that. Oh well, it'll dry clear. Let me get a clamp. Clamp this so it'll dry flat and straight. And then let's see, what else do I have? Maybe, I wonder if this little butterfly will work. I think it will. Okay. So this is sort of instant gratification because it's already made for you, as opposed to the ones we did in the kit, which are larger, and they are nice because they're a lot more detailed and everything, but these are kind of cute too. Okay. Clamp it. Actually, I probably could paper clip this. Let me see. Okay, and then is there any other small? There's a small butterfly. That bug is really cool, but he's kind of big. Let's see. That bug is kind of small. There's a sideways butterfly. There's two of those. Okay, put one away. Let's see. Well, kind of like this bug. I feel like he deserves to be showcased. Okay, so he'll be my last one. Okay, so I'll let those dry. So now I'm going to go through and look for places to put some of these cute, and I've got this is from Tim Holtz paper, and I've got a small I might put that there. I'll just put that there. Kind of makes me want to make my own labels, like a whole set of those, so I might have to do that. Okay, now this one does not have a pocket. I'm thinking I might just do a corner pocket. Let's see. Just like a simple triangle. Okay, so let me find something cute to put on that. It's a little smaller, it'll go a little more centered up farther on there, so. And this could use a pocket right here, so I think I could let that stick out. Of course, then I could do it with this one too, right? Maybe I'll do that and let the specimen card be on the inside of that. Okay, put that there and I'll let him dry. And then I will take an ink pen and I'm just going to put, just kind of scribbling some words. Okay. And I'm just going to kind of rub some ink over this a little bit more. So it doesn't stand out. And then these two pockets are here, so that's okay. And let's see. I could take one of these. I could take this card and use it as a pocket on that page. I think I'll do that. I think I'll put a specimen number on that page with that bug. Looking for a smooth place. That's what... This might be another one that I could use as a tuck spot. That might be a good place for a specimen card. I love that drawing of that locust. Oh, and I was going to punch this with a circle punch. I was going to punch this with a circle punch and give it a little bit of a shape and then ink it. And there's another one in the back. I need to do that too. This would be a good place for, I think, a field label maybe, or specimen card. And I'm really just kind of writing nonsense on here. I put North American species, but I just want some handwriting on it. I'm not really concerned about what it has to say. Oh, and I left those things with, they have little items in them. Okay, so this page, let's see if I have anything I can put on it to kind of quiet it down, maybe. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. Or maybe I want to put butterflies on it. Maybe that would help. It just seems a little crazy right there. Let's see what else I have. This might be, that might be a good thing to put on there, just to quiet down the crazy, basically, is what I'm looking for. Okay. And then I'll put this butterfly up here. I think I might put a toadstool or a mushroom or whatever that is right beside it. Okay. I think I might just glue that on that page, just to sort of finish it off. Sort of a scientific diagram of all the butterflies. Oh, okay, here's the second pocket too that I want to cut a little notch in. So I'm basically just touching up things, adding pockets where they're needed. This looks like it could use some information or something, doesn't it? I think I might do that. I think I'll do a belly band. Let me see if I can fold. Fold it from the inside here. So I haven't really talked too much about why field notes and why faith, but I like the whole field notes look, the design aspect of making field notes, the scientific bugs and insects and going out into the nature and writing notes and all that. I like the juxtapositioning of that with the faith cards, the faith notes you might make. So just like you would go out into the field and maybe draw a picture of a butterfly and write notes about it, in the same way, I would hope that you would take your faith field notebook out and, you know, sit in the park or sit out in the nature and, you know, pray and just talk to God and have notes on what you feel like the Holy Spirit's telling you that day. And just sort of the field notes are for that aspect of your Christian walk, so to speak. So that's kind of the thought of putting the two together. I know they don't go together because one's scientific, of course, and one's spiritual, but it's just sort of a interesting, at least to me, way to look at things. Because if you go out and take field notes of flowers and birds and trees, what would the field notes be when you go out and talk to God and spend some time with Him outdoors maybe, and just sort of do some lab work with the Lord. So I'm making a belly band. I don't know if I said that out loud, but let's see where a good place would be. Maybe there. Yeah, I'm going to put it on that page. And then I'm going to make a little note here. Name of remitter. Put my name on it. Northwest corner of lot 59, whatever that means. Okay. All right, so I think I'm happy with that. So now the only other thing, well, I need to finish inking these, and they're not dry yet, but I'm going to go ahead and ink these little specimen slides that we made. Just kind of get ink all over them, really. And go ahead and clamp that back on there for now. And this one. And we're done with that. And so I'm just going to load this up. Oh, one more thing we need to do. Oh, we have the tabs. So we have these tabs that I haven't put in yet. And where are my scissors? So they need to be cut apart. I waited till the very end because I didn't want to lose them. So I'm going to cut them apart. And of course you can put lots more markers in if you want to. Circles are really good. If you want to just punch out a bunch of 1-inch circles, those work great. But these 4 you can just put randomly wherever you want to put them. And so all right, so I'm going to load this up, and then so I will have a video of the flip through next, but I really appreciate you sticking with me on this, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the flip through video. Bye-bye.